Alright, guys, good morning. Hello. Did you miss me? Okay, so we're gonna do another tutorial today. So this is what I'm gonna do. So this is actually the finished product. So it's like with dust and with the day of the week. So this is very a simple video, just a very short one. Okay, so we're gonna start now. So of course, since that's the finished product, I'm just gonna open a new one, and then so please watch my previous video if you want to know more about AR. So I think I discussed a few things there that I'm not gonna discuss here, but of course I'll still show you how some of it. Okay, all right, so this is it. Okay, just that way you can look at it. So I just make it bigger. Okay, so I added a face tracker, and then right click is the face mesh, and then scroll down here to materials, just click plus sign. It's gray, that's a default color, and then you click so once you click the plus sign there, materials by the way, it will automatically add here under assets, and once you see that here, just click it, and then it'll show you another, that way you can edit its properties. And on the shader type, just scroll down to retouching. Okay, so you can just choose how smooth you want it. Like if you want it like blurry type already, kind of skin, you can do that, but just you can also set it at like 50% or something. Yeah. Okay, that. And then next is we're gonna add an object. Okay, so add an object. So we're just gonna do a 2D text. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're gonna put it like a day of the week or time, whatever you wanna do with it. Oh, by the way, don't forget to rename this one to retouch, because that's what we did here. Retouch. 2D text. Okay, so as you can see, it's there, and you can actually edit it here. But you can also edit it here, like the fill width, fill height. So it's up to actually to you how you want it. Oh, you can actually center it, put it here, there, there. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's better. Okay, let's say hello. By the way, actually, if you're gonna upload this to Facebook or Instagram, they have some certain policies when it comes to putting some text on a filter. So if it's not like integrated on the filter, yeah, it might got rejected or you know declined. So make sure it's part of the filter that you're gonna do. So that's why today we're not gonna do that. I just wanted to show you. This is what we're gonna do. So you see there's the text, and there's also dynamic text. Oh, and then of course you can also do editable. Oh, that's nice. Really? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. We can put like current city. So example, London. See that? It's London. It's London, baby. Alright, that or current airport. Let's say temperature value. And then what else can we add? Alright, yeah, no, let's just delete some of it. Oh, there's already too many. Okay, we'll delete some of that. So you can just do London, or you can insert this one. The right, isn't it right? So let's try this. So it's London, or we can actually interchange it. Let's do that. So let's see. Like this. Friday in London. Isn't it nice? I love it. Of course, since that's a standard one, we can always change the. There you go. See? You can change the. There you go. There it is. So this is actually like the default, of course, font from Spark AR. So that's another thing. I'm gonna show you how to add fonts. So all you need to do is go here. So add project. So yeah, project here at the top. Add and then project. Sorry, project, and then click edit properties. Okay. Then capabilities. See there's dynamic text here. This is what we're gonna do. Fonts. We're gonna add fonts. Yeah. So just click done. Okay. So now and then we just need to add an asset. Import from computer. So those are sample. Where did I put that? There you go. Fonts. You can actually choose all of this, so let's try that. Okay. There you go. It's already there. Here. And then on this side, there you go. See, it's all added here. See, that was so easy. And if you want to know where did I get those fonts, I'm gonna show you. It's actually just right here. So you just need to go to Google fonts, and then see Google House, and then all you need to do is just choose whichever you want. Let's see, for example, this one. This looks nice. Then just click download family. Then just save it like that. It's very easy. See? And then now you can change it to ta-da! Did you see that? That was so cool. Isn't it nice? And of course you can change color. You can change it here. Of course, it will say the basic. So these are the basic colors, of course. Which of course they're nice. You can also pick your own. Or here, I want like a teal color. Ah, oh my god, that's so nice. And so as I mentioned, it's resizable. So you can actually like put it wherever you want, and then you can like resize it. And then here on the font size, just change it to, let's say, 70. There you go, Friday in London, right? And then let's see, maybe next to that is we can also add like a date, or a time rather. Let's put time. Let's try the long. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, well, what's the short one? Let's change it to. You can actually just edit that one, but you know, if you want to make things easier for your life, you can just do this time short. Oh, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad. Line spacing. So let's see. Line spacing. Let's try 50. There we go. So you can actually change it to, you know, however you want it. So that's another thing. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it nice? And it's actually okay. So that's pretty much it. But if you want, of course, to change, I'm gonna show you some, since we added a lot of Oh, that's a nice one. Let's see, change fonts. Oh, that's okay. Also, make sure, as I mentioned, that Facebook, Instagram, they're very strict when it comes to um, texts on filters. So yeah, in your filters. So just make sure that they don't block any face. You know. So that's another thing. So just make sure to put it on the top or on the side or at the bottom. Not really, covering the face. So choose your font wisely. Wisely. That's it. And so another thing, so that's fun. Yeah, you can just so that it doesn't show, so you already know where it is. We can add another thing here. So go to. You can also add object here. We're gonna do canvas again. Okay, and then we're just gonna add object. Right click to rectangle. There we go. And then, so it's of course it's still as is always resizable, but you'll also have an option here to just fill height or fill width. There you go. See, easy, right? Pretty easy. Then to position it, just make sure it's 0, 0. That's it. Okay, now it covers the face. And now next is we're gonna of course add materials to it. That's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna go here again, just shoot flat type. We're just gonna change it to flat. And then so this one, what I'll do is I'll add the dust. Like the dust feature. So the one that you saw earlier. So I have actually a few samples here of dusts. But let's try this one. Alright, so it's all black, right? So you're gonna here in blend mode, just choose screen. There you go, it is. And then of course you can change the opacity to from just one like one. There you go. So that's it. So that's it for my tutorial today. So that was very easy, right? And so yeah, watch out for my another tutorial for how to do the animation sequence. How you can make those dusts move or like change. So watch out for that. That's it. Have a good one. Bye. Good morning.